Hi guys. Guys, I tried putting this thing ibambi phone la. Ish. I was before ending. Guys, if you've been here, I'm sure you'll remember the story. It's the iPhone 15. Ukuthi ize iqala ukulungiswa. I bought what at Take a Lot. Yeah, with the phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me CT Mom, because I'm a mother of three handsome boys, not two, three handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support, and to my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family. Guys, I need to buy data. I need to buy data because I'm not in the house, and yeah, I've been buying data like me and get it for the day, and 30 rand, and I'm like, what am I doing? Because let me just buy for the whole month, because by the time like I'm outside for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and then I'm in the house, and then Wi-Fi is connected, so I've just wasted 30 rand. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to Fourways Mall to go pick up those pens. I dropped them last week. I don't know if I showed you guys on my previous vlogs. What am I doing? I'm buying that. I don't know if I showed you guys, but yeah, it's Wednesday today, and they said I must come get them today. And yeah, 30 days. So I hope you guys, the ones who've been missing Lubanzi, I hope my previous vlog, you guys are happy now. You know, I did that because honestly I feel like there are people who really like Lubanzi, like honestly. So I thought, let me just, your purchase was successful. Okay, cool. So I thought, let me just, you know, include Ulubanzi, guys. Nimbone ukuthi I'm not lying when I am saying Ulubanzi is fine at home. He's okay. He's happy. So I just wanted to do that for those who really do like and miss him. And unyaka usuzophela, guys. Usuzophela unyaka. Bese ngiyagoduka. So yeah, let's go fetch those pens, and then that's all we're doing. We're just fetching those pens, and because I'm supposed to go to the south, but I'm not gonna go to the south today because I want to go collect all the pinafores at once. He is done with Zabanye, but I don't want to go there then say and then no, I'm just gonna wait for him to finish everything, and then Diambi guy one. I hope this doesn't disappoint me, because if iyasebenza, then that means I can yap in the car driving, and I don't have to carry my I don't have to pattern my phone. I can just do this while I'm driving. Yo, I know sometimes I need to park, and because guys, vlogging and holding your camera and talking and focusing on the road, it's actually not safe. Yeah, we do it, but ayikho right nje. It's not something engi promote high. So I'm happy that I can do this. I'm gonna buy another one because le angithembi, guys. Angifuna uqamba manga. I don't trust it. Like, I really don't. But yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog. I feel like I'm back in my vlogging era because of time. Like, I have time. I sleep better at night now. I don't have to wake up and change nappies and you know, like, I just have time in my hands now. So, you know, let's use that for vlogging. Cause I think remote yam iphelelwe amabhedi, because I have been having so much problems every time I get here. I actually should buy. Damn. Unjan! I don't know if the guy's gonna hear me. Guys, I'll be back. Thank God he's calling me. I can open on my phone. We are Usayaz. Yeah. Oh my God. Usayaz, because I've been saying that my battery is giving me a problem. So there's another option where a person must call and you can do it here on the phone. Thank God he just called. I want to talk to my security. Mina guys, everywhere I stay, I make sure I'm friends with securities. I make sure angifuni ukuba nenkinga. Ama security aqinelwa amakhanda ama security. Ayikho into eqinelwa ikhanda njengo security, and if you don't get along with them oh sana, they will make your life difficult. They will make your life difficult. Yabo nje mina ngihlezi ngizwana nama security every apartment engihlala kuyona. I make sure siyazwana. Ngize ngibathengele ngisho ama cold drink. Kungonakele lutho nje ngidlule ngishu 30 rand lapha. Ngithi hayi boy ilanga liyashisa uthenga u2 liter lapho Coca-Cola. You'll never know when you need his help. So nje mina I always make sure ukuthi ama security siyazwana. Guys, let me drive and stop yapping because now I think I'm just excited because this thing is working. Let us go. Let me rather play music and go fetch these things, guys. I'll catch up with you later. Udlala umbhaqanga. Also, I feel like every time when I come to Foy's, ngipaka eside in LE1. I never change iside engipaka kulona. Doesn't matter ukuthi ngiyaphi. I don't understand. But you are. Tell me why these people bati 170 ibhlukwe 1. I just remembered now. I left 2 and they said 170 each. Just for ukunciphisa, guys. Just for ukunciphisa ukubamba lana la. 170. 1 pence. Yeah, yona le. Let's go get my pants, guys, and stop complaining. Yeah. Catch up with you now. We are definitely summer ready, but my struggles of not being tall. But anyway, it's another day of this vlog. Let's go run some errands. I'm wearing these shoes, but yeah. Guys, I'm done. I don't know if you guys can see me because of the sun. It's that time where we get that ice. Because I left this scoop with some samanzi, so let me go home, guys. We'll catch up when I get home. Hi guys. Hi, I'm back. I need to take out these curtains. Guys, I bought lace curtains because I want this room to have light, so I don't want heavy curtains. I have this bed. I need to put it where I put my... I have this bed, the one efutwai, so that sometimes when I have visitors, it really does help. So I just need to move some things, my son's thingy, and find this suitcase a place so we can start working on this room. I don't know where I'm gonna put my tripods. Those are my lights. Tripod. But yeah guys, let's just move things a bit, take out these, put the curtains, and yeah. Oh Lord. These ones. Okay, let's start here. You guys see the lace on its own, that it's a bit light. So I bought 2 laces, but they are obviously different design. The lace on top is stronger, but it's still, let me come close. Can you see these things? It has this design. It's stronger, right? And this one is lighter, and I don't like it. So the lighter one, I put it behind this one so that it kind of gives me this look that I want. I don't know how to explain it, but I know what I want. I didn't want to have only this lace and I can still see outside. You see the complex next door. I can see the swimming pool, everything. I didn't want it. As much as I want a lace, because I want light to be in this room, it's gonna be the room that Andy Sebenzayo for work. I want light, hence the idea of laces. But I knew I needed 2 laces in order for me to not see what's happening outside. I hope you guys can see. But anyway, nonetheless, this is how it looks on top and then going down. I also love the length that it's not on the floor because it's white, so these are colors in Mole and it was gonna stress me. So what I'll do tomorrow, I'll go add another maybe 3 meter, yeah, and I'm gonna put it on the side and that's it. And then we'll continue with whatever that we need to do on this room. Okay, yeah. Bye. Guys, I've put up the picture. So this picture, it's in a dark place, right? And I feel like I veli kahle. So I'm gonna get those lights, you know that light that you put on top of a picture. I'm gonna get that light and then I'm gonna put it there on top of the picture so that izoba light, izokhanya, because it's in a very dark place and it's not doing what I wanted to do, but I need to get those lights, right? And then when you go down, I've changed the box. I took those artificial flowers, put them on my small vase, and then I just took this box. I think it looks cute on the tray, I don't know. And then all the core perfumes that I have, I've put them here. Can you see? Because I don't want them on this tray, so I've put them here. I think it looks nice, it looks cute. They must sit here. They must just sit here, you know. This looks nice. I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys. I'm obviously gonna fill up my tray. It is empty. I'll do that now. We're gonna take these 3 perfumes, this one, and this one. Then I'm gonna put them on my tray. Okay, this is how we're looking like. Love it so much. I'm gonna get 1 tray the clear one, and then I'm gonna put it here. Good morning, guys. Guys, today is a Saturday, and let's continue running our errands. Guys, this thing I use a phone. I am so happy that I use it up, but it's the same thing that broke my iPhone 15 endling. So I think isebenza kahle efestereni, like sticker kahle efestereni than kuma wardrobe, or you know, something like that. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get some perfumes so that I can send them to my customer. She came back, she bought one perfume, the Peach, and that perfume, it's too floral, it's too sweet. It is just too sweet. So yeah, so she paid for good, recommend something else that is not too sweet. Unjani baba? Ngiyaphila, ngicela ungifonela bandla. Yebo. Yabonga. So yeah, let's go do that, guys. I'll catch up with you guys later. I need to open the gate. This guy is gonna call. Yeah. Okay. So I was saying, guys, you said that the intense peach is too sweet. So I think I know what kind of perfumes she likes, because she doesn't want spicy, she doesn't want oud. I think she's a calm person, calm scent lover like me. I don't like too loud perfumes, mina. About the perfume engisasho namanje, if izongikhinga ingiphathise ngekhanda, angiyifuni. No matter ukuthi inuka kamnandi kanjani, angiyifuni iperfume ezo straight here to here. No, ngifuna perfume ezo lobi, yabo, no kamnandi ngathi ngalobe ndikusnifile, but ukusnifa kwakho does not akungiphathisi ngekhanda, because it's not too strong. So I think I get her because I know that one is too strong, it's too sweet, it's too floral. So she said it gave her a headache, and then yeah, so she bought 4 now, 2 for the hubby and 2 for her. I hope she loves the ones that I'm gonna recommend. And yeah, let's go. I do have the 2 in stock, I just don't have for hubby. So I'm going to look for male perfumes. And what else am I doing? I don't know, guys. Oh, I need to go add the curtains. You remember, guys, the curtains, I need to add 1. So I'll somehow do that, because I'm going to the south. I'll somehow do that. 2 different places, but it's fine with 2. I'll somehow go get the curtain so that I finish the curtain parts on that room, and I start buying other things that I need to make that room I have so many things to buy in that room. Oh God, I need money. I have so many things to buy, but we have started with the curtains until we are done. Ngapha, I also want to change my, you know what, guys, one thing about this thing here, it will make me yap, because I don't have to hold my phone. I can drive and yap. Hi guys, bye. Bye. Guys, why is Subamyam? Come this side. This side is better. Guess who I bumped into? Guess who I bumped into? Guys, remember when I said there's a lady who was always commenting on my vlogs and she's wearing a linen suit, got to go photo shoot? Hi guys! Hi guys! Thanks, friend. Are you done? I'm taking a video for my channel. Yes, I'm so hungry. Huh? I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything since morning. Thank you, Zoe.
Always my hungry.
Oh my! I did. Let's go to.
This one.
Oh, guys, I've sent the things now. When I buy food, I am so hungry. When I buy something to eat and I go home. Guys, it's so dark in here. Hi guys, hi. Guys, ndim orongo kwi-acronym because the guy showed me ukuthi last time I bought curtains, I bought 8 meter. Yes, my curtain rail is 5 meter, but I added 3 meters extra so that I can get this kind of look. So when you came and said you want 5 meter, and I didn't understand how, because you've been buying curtains from me and I know you need 8 meters or more. Like at dining I bought 10 meters, you know. But yeah, sana. Oh, I hate wearing jeans. I hate wearing jeans with everything in me. So no guys, this is not gonna work. They're fine now. I don't think I wanna add more. I think now they're fine. I just need to move this ottoman back to the kitchen. Also, this ottoman can stay here. Ulubanzi akekho ngoku because ayibekwe ngulubanzi. Like it can stay here, honestly. But yeah, I'm done. I want to have these lines, so that's why I always need to buy more. Instead of 5 meter, I need to add, because ndifuna ame kanje and abe neat, yabo xa ndiwavalile. So yeah, I'm done. Hi Zolls. Hi guys. Hi guys. Do you guys remember I said I'm gonna review? I added 1, 2, 3, 4 perfumes on my tray, but Sana, I am so lazy to do it. I decided to stop being lazy. So we're gonna do this one first. Scandal. It's floral. This is floral. Love the packaging. It's very floral. Yeah, it's definitely a summer scent. Very, very floral. Not too floral, but yeah. And then I added this one. I think also now it's Baccarat. Yes, it is. This Baccarat is not spicy, unlike the red one. If you remember the red one, Lenan complaining it's too spicy. This one is not. It's very calm, but it's not woody as well. It's not my favorite. It's nice. It's nice. You're wearing a perfume. You're wearing a perfume. This one is nicer. It's there. It's a... I can smell you have a perfume, but it's not wow. Also Baccarat. Oof. Nah, this smells nice. This one is a lighter version of the red Baccarat Rouge. This one is the lighter version of it smells exactly that one, the spicy one. It smells exactly the same, but this is the lighter version of it. Like if you want something spicy, go for the red one, right? The one that I used to have, and I said I'm not buying this perfume again, it's too strong, it's too spicy. Now this is the same scent, same smell, but just the lighter version of it. I hope I'm making sense. Yeah, same everything, just it's lighter. You can even see, guys, I'm sure you remember the other one. Definitely a lighter version, which I'm happy about this one, because that I don't like spicy perfumes. I don't. And then last we have this one. Ooh, this one is my favorite. I've been wearing it. Oh, this girl right here. She is sexy. Oh, oh. Yeah, no, get this one for dinner date. It's not spicy. Yeah, it's not too spicy, but I can smell a little bit of spiciness in it. Guys, Lala every day in trying to smell these perfumes and know what. I'm trying to learn them. And then this one I got it today when I was going to buy those ones for the customer. I loved it. I bought it for myself. This one is, if it is flowers, you know. That it's a mixture of flowers and yes, if flowerish. This is the only way to know if a perfume you like it or not. You need to spray it on yourself. Oh guys, this perfume, it smells really good. It falls under floral. It falls under floral perfumes. Not too sweet. It's not sweety. It's a combination of floral, sweetish, and yeah. Oh yeah. You're just a lady. You just Forever New, and flowers. Iyaflowa ingubo yakhona, i-summerish, yabo nje yinhle, injalo. Injalo. It's so welcoming to the nose. I think one thing I love about this perfume, it is so welcoming to the nose. Like, if you know me, you know how much I hate perfumes where you smell and then because once the perfume it goes straight to a card. This one, it's welcoming. It's there, and the spray, the guys I sprayed it so much, like when I was driving and it was settling into my skin. I was like, oh okay, I love the smell. I love the fact that even when I can randomly smell it on me, it doesn't annoy me. It doesn't, and practicing and it does. I'm actually like, wow, I'm still smelling this perfume and it smells nice. I like that, because if a perfume you can't randomly smell yourself during the day, or you're busy with your things, and this is the perfume I'm wearing, then you need to change it. That perfume is not the one. You need to smell your perfume, you yourself. Not all the time. 3 hours can go by without smelling it, but you're wearing a perfume, girl, you know. So yeah, I recommend this one. This is gonna be my favorite for this summer. Definitely my fave this summer, this one. Love it. And there's a vanilla, yeah. It's a mixture of some sweetish something that I don't know, with a little bit of vanilla, some flowers here and there. Guys, I don't know, but it's nice. It's really nice. But yeah, those are the perfumes that I opened, and I didn't review them here with you guys. And I love my customers, because one thing about my customers, they will give me an idea of what they want, what they like, what they don't like, which makes my life easy when I'm going to look for these perfumes, because I know which section to go to. I know what not to even touch. if it's spicy, and she said she doesn't want anything spicy. Thank God, because I don't have to go to the spicy perfumes. I know what's okay. Let me stick to floral, but also very strong. If she says she wants a bit of both, and you know, like, I just love the customers who explain what they want. It honestly makes my life easy. Yes, I might not get it right because singabantu asithandi into ezifanayo. I might not get it right sometimes. Mhlambe ibe too sweet kanti mna it's not too sweet for me, you know. So yeah, but I just prefer people who tell me what they want and what they don't want. Unlike a person who says recommend. Okay, I'm gonna recommend, but what do you like? Do you want oud? Do you want spicy? Do you want floral? Do you want sweetish? What do you like? You know, tell me what you like, and then I go look for that. But yeah, guys, I bumped into Asabi today. I was so happy to see her. I was so happy. I always say, guys, don't change your profile pictures. It's so nice. And I thought she's dark. She's actually a yellow bone. I'm like, hi, boy, I thought you dark. I think it's that picture that I explained before, with the way she's sitting. Photo shoot. So I don't know. I think it's because of the picture. But yeah, I was so happy to see her. I literally felt like I'm seeing my sister. It felt like that. Guys, it's actually nice. I appreciate people who comment. I try by all means to interact and read all my comments. If I'm busy, I'll just like, and instead of ignoring, I'll just give it a like. Trust me, if I'm not commenting, get busy, but I also want to read my comments. But I was like, I was so excited. Anyway, thank you. See you guys on my next. I'm wearing my Pinifa. Yabona manje, it's summer, and I'm gonna wear my Pinifas because there's just no way. Let's go fetch people's orders and send them to Postnet, and then send them to Postnet, and then I come back home. Guys, today is a Monday. Today is a Monday. Today's a Monday, and hi guys. I think I'll just edit this vlog. I think I'll edit this vlog and post it today or tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know. And yeah, just when I edit this vlog, I've been lazing around. I literally could have posted on Sunday, but where are my car keys? Oh, my babe. Ongezwa. Gianni. Not today. Not today. No, but ngingene ngane emotweni. Oh, nice. Guys, old age. Yeah. So let's run some errands. Continue to advertise. Gorgeous. Thank you, babe. Let's do that. And why can't I multitask all of a sudden? But yeah, guys, let's go. I need aircon. Yeah, let's go do that. How y'all guys doing? Guys, Ninjan, it's a Monday today. I think I'm gonna have to go buy ukapete, or maybe let's buy it on my next vlog. Yeah, because one thing about me, when I have too many clips, I think I'm managing what they did. I need ukapete omusha. I don't know whether ngiqale ngithenge ukapete or try to get a couch first. You know why? Because I feel like if I buy ukapete, awuzubonakala ubuhle bayo because of that ugly couch, you know. So but also a couch is more expensive and carpet is cheaper. So I don't know whether I should just get a couch first and remove the carpet, because even if a couch ihleli yodwa angeke izibonakala ukuthi yimbi if it doesn't have a carpet. Then obviously masayine a carpet again, then it's gonna be nice than buying a carpet and still have ugly couch. I don't know. Yes, I really don't know. Sawubona baba.
Yebo, sis 99.
Yebo, ngiyabonga.
Alright, ngiyafona manje mama.
Thank you. So yeah, that's what I've been thinking. Should I just leave the carpet and get a couch once? And yeah, get a couch and then I don't know, but the way that carpet is stressing me. Oh, Sana, that carpet is so stressing. Yo, ayimbi. Jesu. But ngizobona. Domdal. Yabo, so nje guys, let me go fetch my izinto zabantu and send them. I'm sure they are stressing abakhona abacabanga ukuthi nje sithi mama, we told you need those pinifers ngeyi-20. Relax. I've got you. Relax. One thing about my customers, Mina, I always ask them, when do you need it? Because I nearly had a fight with someone. She wanted her pinifer so fast and she didn't tell me. And she was putting pressure on me, and the 7 working days that I usually take before I can send it to you. And I asked her, had you told me that you want this pinifer very fast, I would have worked faster or not take the order at all and be like, no, I don't think I can do it. So since then, because sagcina nje sixabana nje, and I was like, as in, maybe it's better if I ask how soon do you want it, so that if I see that no, I actually can't do these pinifers and give it to you before this date, I just don't take the orders, So I usually ask, when do you want it? When do you want these pinifers, so that ngisebenze ngesikhathi sami nangesikhathi salo muntu engisebenza naye, because I don't work alone. I think another thing engishayayo is the fact that I don't work alone. So ileyo nje it stresses me so much because angikwazi ukuthunga. So yeah, but guys, let me stop yapping. And one thing about me, I love yapping. Ngizokhuluma because ngiyakuthanda ukukhuluma. I love yapping. Even if I'm yapping and nonsense, I'm a yapper, and I love it for us. I love the fact that my people know that siyakhuluma la siyakhuluma la shem. But yeah, let me go, guys. Yazi ngiborela kunina kahle yazi ngiborela kunina because ayikho la into engiyikhulumayo. Kulungile ka, bye. Hi guys. Hi. Guys, I'm actually advertising this skirt. So now, you know me, I'm lazy to put you guys on a tripod because delivery. So oh my god, you guys are not gonna see it. Wait, let's do this. I think this is better because there is no way, Sana. Dear Puma, guys, and I need to change, but I was like, before I change, I've heard these skirts since I'm sure 2 months now, guys. When I was doing those up and down Eastern Cape, there's a cornice skate, and then guys, in this advertise, and I'm like, Sana, it's summer, people might want skirts, and I have it. I've even gained weight. I literally had to go to my neighbor's house. Not my neighbor lo indod, the other one osis. So ngacela bona ukuthi guys aningizipha la ngemuva. So yeah, here's the skirt guys. Because I mean, why am I not advertising this guy? Yeah, I'm done. I need to edit that video now and post it, but there's no way I was not gonna show you guys. Here is the skirt. Love it so much. Bengenzani? I'm done. I need to take off these shoes, take off these clothes. And yeah, i-vest ke guys, yeah, ngenze ngikhole ukuthi anginawo ama-vest and i-vest yami yokulala le, but I was like, so that a person can see the idea. I don't have a choice other. Let me take this first. But sure. Done. Guys, I am doing dress number 2. I was showing you guys the skirts, and now I am showing you guys the dress. Also, I can't zip it because it's small. Look, you guys here. Yeah, he got the idea of the dress on the arms how I wanted it, but upper inning, so I can't really zip it. It's supposed to sit like this, right? It's supposed to sit like this, like it's your size. But I think I want to show you guys on the mirror the whole dress. You know, guys, please follow my Instagram page. Please follow my Instagram page. If you don't want to follow my main Instagram page, just follow the one in advertiser okay? Just in case you want something. And yeah, but let me show you guys on the mirror the whole dress. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how the dress looks like. I did explain the arms so you guys have an idea. It's supposed to, but this is how the dress looks like on top, and then it goes down. So okay, let me do this. Yeah, guys, I cannot wait to finish this room. I cannot wait to finish this room and get everything and the room. Right now I am struggling. This apartment doesn't have natural lighting, and Payana I'm gonna buy lights ezininzi dibene spot some and zomakuso to advertise. So but I'm not here for that. I'm just stressed because I don't want advertising like this. I'm even struggling for my portrait advertiser because of not having natural light in this apartment, you know. But it's fine, we're gonna get lights and we're gonna keep it moving, Sana. But this is the dress. This is how it looks. It's long, we can make it shorter, you know, it's all up to you. And I just love this idea, guys. I love how it's snatching my waist. Sana, oh my babe. Ngaze ngayithanda. Guys, mna amakwaykway. Yabona, if there's one thing engihlulayo ikwayikway, because nginezitho, like I have legs for days. So my legs, because I have big legs, thighs, you know, hips, ass, they literally sit on top of is the whole weight just sits on top of the shoes. Best I can imagine when I have to. But Sana, I wouldn't change my body shape for anything. But some days because one I was coming but I don't think it's my weight. I just think I'm just one of those people who can't walk. Like I am Shula. I need the heel to be like this small, you know? But girl, uyawathanda ama-heel amade, yet akakwazi ukuhamba ngawo. But yeah, let me come closer. Let me come closer. Let me come closer, guys, so you guys can see everything. So if you want a dress, I am your girl. If you want a pinafore, I am your girl. If you want this short, long, I am your girl. You know, like, do you like y'all? Guys, you guys sending on Sisindosh, ne? Certified Sisindosh, okay? Exactly. Woo! Bye, guys. Hi, guys. I am back home. Here is a pinafore. Guys, please don't mind the duke because Sana, I've said it uti mina, I can't tie the duke, but I tried. It's neat, right? So I wanna show you guys the duke, the pinafore, and guys, this design is the most bought. It's the most bought design. Yeah, buy it design. It's the most bought design. Like every time when someone comes, they always choose this design. Yeah. Yabona leyo ni design shembandla iyathandwa and ithengiwe, and I love it too. It's my favorite. It makes a whole lot of sense. I think what I love the most is this, and obviously pockets. You know, you have space for your car keys, your everything, man. You can, your phone, you know, sifake izipayisi apha xa sesipheka singomama. So yeah, I wanted to show you. And I think we've done a lot of advertising in this vlog, but yeah. So guys, because we've done a lot of advertising in this vlog, let me say my goodbyes and that I'll see you guys on my next one, because there's nothing more to do. I need to decide between the couch or the carpets, and yeah, we'll just do all those things on my next vlog. Right now, let's end this one here. I also need to take videos for this one so that I can advertise on my other social media platforms, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Honestly, we've done enough for this vlog. Yabo nje mina shembandla, hayi yikona nje ukuthi phela usathana akanamandla. Yabo mina angizokhuluma makoti lo umuhle, makoti ontswempu. You know that beautiful wife, like, oh, your wife is so beautiful. Me, Dimlo, ofanelekayo. Yabo, makagqokile nje ehlonipheke uma. But ke wathi usathane uzomdidisa, but ke asazi guys, intando kaThixo iyokwenzeka, because sometimes you spend your entire life chasing something that was probably not in your name. I don't know, but I just feel like whatever that is meant for you by God will find you. Isithi isiZulu okwakubekelwe wena kuyokufika ngisho ilanga selishona. So I am a firm believer that whatever that was meant for me by God will happen, be it money, be it every plans that I have for myself. If it was meant for me by God, it'll happen. God can distract, no, the devil can distract, the devil can delay, but God is always on time. God is always on time, and sometimes the delays are preparing you as well. You'd find that I wanted to get married at a very young age. Maybe my character, being right to be fully committed to someone, you know. There are probably some things that God saw. Once I'm 10 years down the line, so we divorce. You know, so I don't know. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with divorce. If it is, but yeah, I don't know, man. By God's time, guys. Another thing, I'm a lover. I'm a firm believer of love. I love love. I believe in love, and yeah, I think that's why I believe in relationships so much, because I love love. It's nice. It's nice. It's beautiful to be loved and To love and be loved, it's beautiful. But wedwa, then it's a problem. But if it's reciprocated, you know, the energy, the flow, and in way one, then it's beautiful, you know. And I always feel like the devil fights marriages so much. It's a spiritual attack. Whatever, I've never been married, but I always say that if there's one thing that the devil doesn't want to see is people who are getting married, is people who are married. It pisses him off so much, and he will make sure to destroy imishado yabantu, because the devil doesn't want anything that is a blessing from God. He scatters it. Yabona a blessing from Nkulunkulu, he will scatter it. He will do like this. So you need to be a very spiritual, prayerful woman emshadweni. You need to be very powerful emkhulekweni, because one thing about the devil, Sana, he will test your marriage. He will test your marriage. He will test your marriage. So he will test nje abantu abathandanayo, who are doing it right, who are obedient to God. Uyabona nje abantu abenza izinto ezi-right ngendlela e-right, ngendlela uNkulunkulu afuna ngayo, akabafuni. Nathi thina uNkulunkulu asiphe ingane, even though singashadanga, because a child will forever be a blessing from God. It doesn't matter whether the child came out of wedlock. That is a blessing from God. God is the only giver of life. He's the only person umphefumulo. He's the only giver of life. He will scatter. Make sure the baby daddies don't take care of their kids. Hey, you are stressed. It's the devil. Akayifuni into enhle, akayifuni into eyisibusiso vela kuNkulunkulu, akayifuni ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, uyayizonda, and he will always attack it. That is why kuthiwa we must be very, very powerful and rooted in prayer, because the bad is here with us. Ububi bula emhlabeni siphila nabo. Sihleli naye inkunzimalanga la emhlabeni. So nje hayi sibambe ngamawashing. Isibambe ngamawashing inkunzimalanga. So kumele sithandaze, siqine emkhulekweni. So nje guys, I always see I'm a divorce and stuff, and I'm like, damn, the devil has won. Now that's all. That's the thing that always comes to mind with the devil has won, because I believe that uSatan akayifuni imshado, uSatan uyayi-attack imshado, uSatan uyayi-attack into eyisibusiso. Anything that is a blessing that comes from God, he will make sure. So now sometimes when I feel like, why do I love so much? Why do I believe in love so much? Why do I want to spend the rest of my life with someone, just one person for the rest of my life? And it's just not happening. It might not be my time, but I always say that the devil is involved, because there's no way. There's no way. There's just no way the devil is involved. But we give him no praise. We give no devil praise. We give him no power. And we soldier on. And regardless of whether we get some blessings or we don't get some blessings, that will never stop us from believing in God, praying, and doing what we're supposed to do here on earth, which is to praise and worship God. And challenges will forever be there. Disappointments will forever be there. But it's God all the way, because that's the only thing I know. I have no backup but God. Kulungile, bye.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, would you